Hey guys, welcome back to another video. Today we are working on my 2013 Jeep Wrangler. And today we are adding more airflow to the front grille on this Jeep Wrangler to help feed this V8. So we're gonna be installing a 2024 to JKU front grille, and I'll show you how easy it is to install it. This product is from LED Factory Mart, and I will put a link in the video description to this product and also for a 15% discount. All right, so this is the brand new 2024 grille for the JK. And you can see it's just got a lot more airflow. These 7 slots are a lot bigger. So this is really gonna help this Hemi breathe. And being that we're in Arizona where it gets to 120 degrees, definitely needs some good wind flow through this radiator. So let's go ahead and take off the old one and we will reinstall this one, and it should fit in its location, shouldn't have to modify anything. At the end of this video, if everything fits perfect, I probably will put a gloss black on this, and that way it looks a little nicer, easier to clean up. So let's go ahead and we'll take off the old grille and we'll go from there. We won't have the factory turn signals, so I might put some little LEDs in the fenders. So that is to be determined. All right, so it might look like I have to do a lot to get this grille off, but because I've got the V8 in here, I had to extend the grille out a little bit, and that meant the bottom here was nice and close to the winch. So I had to actually unbolt the winch to do this, but in normal Jeeps that do not have a 6.4 Hemi, you won't have to worry about undoing the whole bumper. The grille should come off nice and easily. So now you'll go ahead and undo these clips. Be careful because they can break. I will put a little link on Amazon to where you can pick these up if they do break. Sometimes it's a little easier just prying on this plastic to get these clips out. And then you need to unplug the turn signal, little red clip in here, pull it, and you should be able to snap it free. And now you can go ahead, you pry the top forward, and there's little snaps on the bottom, and it'll come up out of the way just like that. Now's a good moment. You can take your little air duster and blow everything out. So now we can go ahead and test fit it for the first time. Start with the bottom holes, and everything should line up. That is how it fits. It actually looks pretty good, and looks like so much more air will be able to get into the radiators, the coolers. All right, let's close the hood and take a look at it. Actually, it looks pretty cool. And don't mistake this for an angry grill or anything like that. This is not the angry grill look. This is simply a newer 2024 style grill. And that actually looks really good. So now we need to remove it, and then we need to install this little bag of clips that come with it. That way it can properly snap into place. So these just get pushed onto here. Then you can install it onto the Jeep. Mine was just tough because trying to wedge it between the winch here. So now you can install your clips back. You can see a little gap with these clips, but they are still going in nicely. Once you just push down, it flattens out. So finish putting on the clips. You have to push down a little to get it to snap in. The last thing you'll want to install is a seal, and this will go up under here. So that's nice that that is included. But I gotta decide whether I'm painting it or not before I install this. So for now, I'll leave it uninstalled and we'll decide if we're painting it. And just like that, your new Jeep grill is installed. Do you think I should leave it black, or do you think I should paint it white? Go ahead and let me know, leave a comment. And if you found this video useful, don't forget to like and subscribe. And don't forget to check out the link for this product. And if you've got a 6.4 Hemi or a 5.7 Hemi and it is running hot, definitely get one of these grills and you will have a lot more airflow. So again, thanks for watching.